What is that called?
Modulation.
It's like how he still has the windshield wipers going.
A modulation is a key change.
I know.
And that's Brian.
Change for the better.
All my calls fish back down.
I'm only eating like a couple handfuls.
Some people do get hungry while they're driving to Delaware.
Your mom gets hungry when she's driving to Delaware.
Yes,
I was hungry when I was driving to
My mom
Delaware.
got pregnant
It's a
while she was
snowstorm
driving.
before Christmas.
That's hot.
What? Hold on, wait, what?
I'm just
Hi.
Have been changed.
Yo, what's poppin'? Look at the pretty Christmas lights.
Sean!
What?
It's a winter wonder freaking land out there.
Don't drop it out the window. It's recording.
Oh, look at the pretty lights. Look at how pretty they are. Look at the crooked T sign.
So
Hey,
film.
hey, Colleen. Yeah. Film over at that light, that lamp post. Hey, look at me. That one. Oh, that one with the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't let me. This is the pretty light.
Let me see. I want to take a picture.
Okay, bye.